Hello students, we have already started the lesson heat and its effect, and today we are going to learn about measuring temperature. But before that, I would ask you, do you remember what we studied in the last session? Correct. We studied about temperature, the concept of temperature, what is degree Celsius, what is degree Fahrenheit, and how to convert it from one unit to another unit. That was what we learned in the last session. Students, you might have noticed that solids, liquids, and gases expand on heating. The hotter an object is, the more it expands. Therefore, one of the ways of measuring temperature is measuring the expansion of solid, liquid, or gases. While making use of this property of matter to expand, we should note that solid expands very little, while in gas the expansion is very high. Therefore, to measure temperature, we generally make use of expansion in liquids. Now, let us see the definition of thermometer. The instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. I repeat, the instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Note that the principle used in thermometer is same as that of expansion in liquids. There are different kind of thermometers, and one of them is laboratory thermometer. The thermometer available in the laboratory consists of a long, thin, uniform glass tube sealed at one end with bulb filled with a liquid at other end. So this over here is a bulb which contains a liquid and it is sealed at the other end. The most commonly used liquid is mercury. The thermometer with a red liquid is not mercury. It is not mercury, it is a colored alcohol. Okay. A shining thread of mercury can be seen from outside the thermometer. So if it is silvery in color, silvered color, then it is definitely a mercury in a thermometer. So there are both kind of thermometers available in the market, out of which many times red colored thermometer is used in laboratories. Why? There is a reason for it. Red colored nowadays alcohol or red colored alcohol is used because it is less toxic compared to mercury. Mercury is toxic, so we generally nowadays use colored alcohol in a thermometer. Now we are going to see what happens inside thermometer. As the temperature rises, the mercury in the bulb expands and rises in the thin tube called stem of the thermometer. So this is stem of the thermometer, and as the temperature rises, mercury level also rises. The stem is marked in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The height of the liquid in the stem gives the reading of the temperature. So the height determines what is the reading of a temperature. Note that the laboratory thermometer with various ranges are available. The commonly used laboratory thermometer have a range from -10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade. Okay. Well, now that you know what is thermometer, how to use it, there are a few things that you can try out at home. So the first one is, what is thermometer? You have to in short write about thermometer. What do we mean by thermometer? And second question is, write a short note on laboratory thermometer. These are the two questions that you can try out at home. Well, in the next session, we will study how do we read thermometer and precautions that we should take while using thermometer. That was all for today. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. You can put your questions in the comment box. See you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.